To start with, as the topic says, I would like to emphasize that it is always helpful to pursue a higher degree, particularly in management, that is PGDM and MBA, in a crisis situation. Why it is helpful? That's what I'm going to discuss with you today. See, the COVID 19, owing to this, the companies across the world are confronting daunting degrees of disruption, losses of revenue, dislocations to operations, supply chain dislocations, challenges to liquidity and solvency. With that in mind, definitely is expected that leaders and managers will need a great deal of resolve and resilience as they seek to navigate an economically and socially viable path towards the new normal or the next normal. While doing that, what they will do, these companies will focus on the most pressing needs, that is, the urgent measures to adapt to the new ways of working, consolidate the workforce, and maintain productivity, as well as to develop the connection or the sense of connection amongst each other and the physical and mental health of the employee. To add to that, I would also like to tell you that this is the situation when the the company that is doing well, the characteristics will be diverse and inclusive companies. That means notably innovation and resilience. And this will be much in need as companies recover from the crisis or through the crisis. Having said that, I have talked about what are the urgent needs, what about the characteristics, that is inclusiveness and your diversity. I'd like to also, in that context, I'd like to tell you that the what they would look for while trying to consolidate a workforce capacity, maintain productivity, sense of connection, and the physical and mental health of employees, the companies would look forward to hiring the talents. That is, which is called the investments. A tough business year have put a premium on the MBA and the PGDM candidates, which is shown by the placement data from the institutes like the, I mean, even if you don't take into consideration the top IIMs, the other B grade schools, they have shown this. In fact, in our school as well, we have gone in for a increase of average salary by 33 to 34%, 35%, which shows that during this trying times, economic slowdown, or which has been brought about by COVID 19, the companies are looking for talents. And what talents? Talents as MBA, PGDM candidates, which will help them to recover from the crisis or steer the companies through the crisis. And this is the time when your what you call these these are investments the companies are going to make in order to bring about, it's not a spending. In any case, in a crisis situation, companies always try to reduce their spending. But when they hire a talent, it is actually an investment which will help them to steer through the crisis. Now, what the experts are saying that today, as some of the experts are saying, we aren't surprised at slowdown busting job offers to MBAs. I mean, they are saying that we are not really the HR consultants. They're saying we are not at all surprised that in such a situation, the job offers to the MBAs are, in fact, come much better than compared to last year, because their investments during a slowdown, one reduces spend and not investments. It has come from a VP HR of a multinational company. Another person who is in typically an IT related area, he is saying that to compete effectively in a world shaped by artificial intelligence, and algorithms and machine learning, a broader repertoire of skills are required to steer the company through, and that they are found in MBAs and PGDMs. So I have whatever told you that this is the time when one should concentrate on pursuing higher studies, and if it's a management study, PGDM and MBAs are going to help you. It is also notable to state that prominent recruiters who are visiting our colleges, like the Reliance, maybe HDFC, others, they are saying an average and higher salary are better, and even more companies have participated. It's in fact in our college, the number of companies that participated were 34, and we have gone in for this time we have got 40 to 43 companies who have participated in our recruitment here. And as I told you earlier, the average salary has gone up by 33%, and the highest salary has also gone up by about 12 to 15%. So this is what tells me and tells all of us that this is the time when MBAs and PGDMs are in need to by the companies to steer them through the crisis, to help them, because this is what they see it as an investment in talent, and talent is required in this crisis situation. I think that is what I wanted to tell you. And beyond that, I just wanted to also tell you something about the inclusive and diversity. So when we're talking about inclusive and diversity, I have told you the characteristics that a good company has is basically diversity and inclusiveness, which is notably innovation and resilience. And this will be in need to recover from the crisis. Indeed, it could help companies to unlock the unlock the power as an enabler of business performance and organization health. What is saying that inclusive and diversity is an enabler of achieving higher business performance and improved organizational health, and contribute to the wider effort to revive economies and safeguard social cohesion. So the if I go, I can go deep into it, inclusiveness and diversity, but I would restrict myself to whatever I have told you right till now. That is, it is something which is for innovation and resilience that has to be there in a crisis situation, which will steer the company through its through the crisis period. And also, one thing I wanted to tell you is that the progress on inclusion and diversity could during a slowdown and after the crisis, unless companies consciously focus on advancing diversity and fostering inclusion. So the point is that they have to be consciously fostering diversity and inclusiveness in order to bring about the improved health of the company and betterment of the economic situation, and overall the betterment of the total business of the company. I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much. I have not taken 10 minutes even. I don't want to bother you much. So since you have had patience, I'm thankful to you. If there be any question, you can there be a question session? Yeah. So, okay. So if you have any question, please shoot. I'm here to answer the questions. So I'm waiting for the questions to come up. Otherwise, I'll put it off. Oh, okay, thank you so much. Take care and God bless all of you. God bless us all.